Guys, it's time for another ATR guide video. First thing we want to do is go ahead and see if we have any codes in the vehicle. So I have a P0106. So we're going to use the intelligent diagnostics from Snap-on. You can see the most common part is a map sensor, and it is truthfully the most common part. But we really want to make sure that this part is bad or defective. Always want to make sure so you don't have to replace parts that are unnecessary. So we're going to go into the smart data just to see if there's any flags on any sensors or if it's just going to be on the map sensor. Now, just because it says it's bad on the scanner, I like to check it manually with an oscilloscope. Here is a schematic of a map sensor. Now I put the voltages that should be on the wires. And remember that the wiring color on the schematic may be different from your wiring color on the car, but the map sensor will work the same way. So here's the connector view for this map sensor. Now remember, your map sensor might be different, but they work the same way. So pin 3 on this one is our signal. So we want to back probe pin 3 on this map sensor. So for your oscilloscope scale, you need to put it at 5 volts in 5 seconds. The second one I put at 10 volts because I wanted to measure the 5-volt source. You can see on this sensor that you have a lot of drops going down to ground. Now after changing the map sensor, I wanted to check and make sure that the sensor is still good, because a lot of times when you get new ones, they're not always good. So I rehooked my scope up to pin 3. And you can see that the voltage looks good. It's at 2 volts. And every time I accelerated my engine, my vacuum decreased, which made the voltage go up to almost 5 volts. So trace 2, I have it to my 5-volt source on the map sensor. I just wanted to make sure I wouldn't lose any voltage. Now on this screen, you can actually see the difference between a bad map sensor and a good map sensor. A good map sensor will have a straight line, no dropouts like the other one, and it will go up nice and steady and come down nice and steady. So you can see as we go back to the scanner side, the map inch HG is nice and steady to where you saw on the other one had all the dropouts in it. Back into your scanner, clear all your codes. Make sure you go back and check to see if you have any more codes. If you're clear, you're good to go. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube and hit the like button. Thank you so much.